For the second entry into the Monster Manual series, I'm going to be building the Chuul. Starting with the head, we're going to connect a series of 1x2 and 1x1 bracket pieces to give us connection points on all four sides. We'll then add a 1x2 plate and a 2x2 sloped curved piece to form the top of the head. This sloped curved piece with the wedge at the front is going to be perfect for the front of the face. We'll add two yellow round studs to form the eyes, and then we'll add a clip piece on the back to give us a connection point to the rest of the body. Now to build the tentacles, we're going to start with a round 1x2 plate in red, and we're going to attach these red seaweed pieces as the actual tentacles. And this is our completed head. Moving on to those claws, we're going to take one of these robot arm pieces and a large tooth, and then we'll take three of these 1x1s with the bar attachment, stack them like this, and attach our robot arms. One more for the upper arm, and then a ball joint with a pin connection to attach to the body. We'll do that whole process again. And now we have both of our claws. Moving on to the upper body, we'll start with this bar connection in a round 2x2 plate, add another bar connector. Then we'll take two of these ball joint connection pieces and add them on top. And then taking this compound slope piece, we're going to add it on top offset by half a stud, as shown here, and add another. We can then add our head, claw, and second claw. And now we have the upper body completed. For the lower half of the body, we'll start with this clip connection and another ball joint connection, add a second ball joint. Then we'll continue with the 2x2 round plates, add a second. Then we'll add two more ball joint connections, and these will be the connections for the legs. And then we'll use some inverse slope pieces to add a little more structure. One more ball joint connection for the tail, and then another 2x2 slope and a 1x2 plate for more structure. We'll then add these 1x1 plates with the clip on top to use as a connection point for the shell. We'll then take one of these compound plates and another bar connector, add a second compound slope piece, and two more inverse slopes to complete the shell piece. Then this clips in right on top, and we have the lower body completed. Add it to the upper body. Just to pause the video for a second, if you like what I have so far and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot, and you can always change your mind later. The tail is going to be built up using a series of these ball joint connectors. We'll then add a 1x1 plate and an inverted slope, as well as a 1x2 plate to form the first section. And the next two sections we'll get to use my favorite piece, the 1x1 cheese slope. And the end of the tail we'll get these sloped curved pieces with the wedge on the end. Really simple tail design, but I think it matches the concept art well. Plug it into the body, and all we're missing now are the legs. To build the front legs, we're going to start with this 1x1 round with the hollow center and another ball joint pin connector. We're then going to use a series of clips and bar connectors and this candlestick to build up the rest of the leg. Once we have this, we'll plug it into a binoculars piece at the bottom, add two teeth pieces, and we have our front leg done. Now that we've built another one, we'll plug these into the body in their appropriate spots. Moving on to the back legs, we'll start with the same ball pin connector and 1x1 round with the hole, same clips and bars, but we'll angle this one slightly differently. We'll then come in with this pin connector, this frying pan shaped piece, another 1x1 round with a hole, and a cone. We'll then attach our binoculars and two teeth to give us the rear leg. Once duplicated, we can plug these into the body, and we have our completed Chuul. If you guys like the Chuul and want to see more in the Monster Manual series, please consider subscribing. I have big things planned for the future, And also, don't forget to leave me a comment down below and tell me what you want to see next. Part 3 is already well underway and is almost done, but I have nothing lined up for part 4 yet, so who knows? Your choice might get selected. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys later.